Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make affiliate marketing money using the site Quora. Next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make money with affiliate marketing using Quora. Now, if you're not familiar with Quora and you're doing any sort of marketing online, you're missing out. All right, you need to go over, check out Quora. I'll put a link in the description of this video, but it's quora.com. This is a place where people come and they ask questions, right? They ask questions about all kinds of stuff. I mean, you name it, it's pretty much over there. They actually even have a search bar that you can even type in potential questions that people are asking, and things, like I said, things that people want to know. It's pretty much over there on that site. I just heard about it a few months ago, and I'm like, whoa! It's very active. A lot of people on there, and it's a great place that you can market your affiliate products. Now, this is not a place where you go over there and you just post links to sales pages and lead capture pages and stuff like that. This is a place where you want to actually be active, right? You want to be involved and you want to create a presence, right? So the way to go about not only getting traffic to your offer, you actually will be able to get some sales if you do it the smart way. Now, the smart way to do it is just like I said, create an account, pick your subjects, your topics that you're interested in, right? Mainly in whatever niche you're in, right? So if you're into, I'm trying to think of a niche. Why do I keep dog training? I say dog training. I think while I talk about dog training, I think when I first got started with making money online back in like 2007, I think people will always use dog training niches for examples. I think it just stuck with me. But anyway, whatever niche you in, so you want to join different groups that's related to whatever niche you're in. Also join some groups that you're just interested in general. Like I'm over there and I'm following a movie niche because I always, I love movies and stuff like that. I'm a part of a marketing niche and I'm a part of a fitness niche. Everything that I'm into, I make sure I follow over there and I read posts related to that and stuff like that. So what you want to do as an affiliate marketer is go over there, get involved, and answer questions that are related. You do a little searching, search and see what people talk about. But when you answer someone's questions, you don't want to just answer it with just be like, here's the answer and put a link to it. Like, nah, you don't want to do that. You want to actually type it out. Type out an answer and be like, hey, oh, this is how you train a dog. You want to make sure, I have no clue about training a dog, but hey, this is how you want to train a dog. You want to make sure that the dog, is in a nice space that you can have room to learn these tactics and blah 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 blah. Give real information. Give a real human answer. And then after you do that, then you can say, hey, if you want, more information on training your dog, you can check this out. This is what I use to help train my dog or whatever. And then you could put a link to it, right? You could even not even do that. If you want to kind of really sit back even more, you could just comment without putting a link and then let them respond back to you and be like, oh, thanks for the info. You could. Then if they say, oh, thank you, or ask you another question, then you could come back and say, oh, yeah, you're welcome. Oh, by the way, if you want more tips, this is the book that I use, to help train my dog, or this is a very popular book that you can check out. A lot of people talking about this dog training guide. Here's the link. Check it out. You could do that. You can get tons and tons of traffic. I'm just really getting involved with Quora, but just on the traffic, the site gets a lot of traffic, guys. So you definitely want to get involved with it, but be a real person and answer questions. That's the best way to go about doing it. Answer questions, be strategic with it. So what I do is I would recommend you actually take some time, like make a Quora day or a Quora time, which means, from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday, you just do Quora. You get on there, you interact with people, you answer questions, you ask questions, and you interact with people. All right, do that, and your affiliate offer, whatever you're promoting, it's going to get some eyeballs. All right, and you're going to get some sales, because remember, everybody on Quora, the majority of them, yes, they're marketers and spammers over there, just like everywhere. But the majority of people, a lot of people over there for real answers. They're over there to learn something. So keep that in mind and check that out. All right. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you enjoyed what you just heard, give this video the thumbs up. Right. Be sure to subscribe, because you see I'm nonstop. I'm relentless with this. And every video I'm bringing good content. So be sure to subscribe. All right. And comment below. Say hi. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out my #1 recommended program for making money online. If you want to be your own boss and be able to work from anywhere in the world, click the link in the description.